Guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to tell you something about something that what is happening right now. As if you are watching my all video, so you will be just thinking in your mind that why video are not coming in this channel. So some of that the thing that which happening, right? The thing is that because as I have told you in the previous video that I'm uploading the video after going like 2 to 3 kilometers. After then I can upload my video. So that's happening like that, something like, if I can say, because I'm unable to go to the tower place like every day. But yeah, most of time when I'll be just like going for like market or like something that I needed for. So yeah, that's moment okay. But uh, so if I say if that moment I will go to there, so I directly go to the shop and then I will buy something and then again like I will come to home. So that's the thing. But time is like not manageable, so that's why at that moment really as I can say that I'm unable to upload my video. So because I have went for something like a specific work. So that's it. Or yeah, so don't worry that if it is not coming right now, but I will try to upload because as I've told you in the previous video that a tower is establishing in our village, near village. So that's why I'm thinking maybe it will take like 2 to 3 months to release the tower. So till that and till tower will place, so we have to wait. But yeah, no problem that I will try if it's possible in a week or like in a 2 to 3 days. So yes, I'll try to upload the video that which just like you want to learn. So yeah, thank you guys, just give update on this channel. So yes, you will get everything.